Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials. Inspect your laptop for a num lock indicator and any legend showing 7-9 or 0-1-3 on letter keys. Once done, press FN plus num LK to enable the embedded numeric keypad. This maps number input onto letter keys. Make sure keyboard layout matches your expectation, because layout mismatches change key positions. If you have a physical num lock key, use that instead. These checks let you begin entering numbers reliably without waiting. Once the embedded keypad is active, you type numbers by holding nothing extra. Just press the mapped letters now serving as digits. If that feels awkward, use the top row number keys for straightforward input. They always produce 0-9 unless a modifier changes them. Make sure to check whether Shift or Alt-GR alter symbols. If physical keys misbehave, open the on-screen keyboard and click digits with the mouse. It bypasses hardware issues and proves the system accepts numeric input. To finish, test by typing several numbers into a simple text editor. This confirms everything is mapped correctly. If you prefer tactile feedback, connect a USB numeric keypad or enable the accessibility numeric keypad in settings. Both are plug-and-play in most systems. If numbers still fail, toggle FN and num LK again, reboot, and update the keyboard driver. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, use the on-screen keyboard to confirm the software accepts numbers before replacing hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.